Hello everyone. Today we are going to see the third part of the lesson Early Revolt Against British Rule from 10th Standard, Volume 2. The important situation come with the sons and the family members of Tipu being imprisoned. Interned means imprisoned in Vellore Fort. They were caught up and kept in the Vellore Fort as a prisoners. The trigger means gun. The gun for the revolt came in the form of new military regulation. Regulation means rules, which is given by the Commander in Chief Sir John Craddock. According to the new regulation means rule. According to the new rule, the Indian soldiers they were asked not to wear caste marks or earrings when in uniform. Now we are going to see the new military regulation, which is already I mentioned before. The new military rules, which is given by the Commander in Chief Sir John Craddock. That is, according to the new rule, the Indian soldiers should not wear caste marks or earrings when they were in uniform. They were to be cleanly shaven on the chin and maintain uniformity, and they have to keep their mustache looked about how their mustache looked, and the new turban added fuel to the fire. In addition, there was the leather cockade made of animal. Cockade means cockade, it is a knot of the ribbons that worn in a hat as a badge of office. This badge made up of animal skin, the sepoys gave enough forewarning. Already before itself they were warned by refusing to wear the new turban. They were just refused to wear the new turban. Yet the company administration did not take any attention to that. So these are the military rules which is given by the commander, that is Chief Commander Sir John Craddock. On 10th July 1806, in the early hours, guns were rapidly growth, and the Indian sepoys of the 1st and 23rd Army Unit raised their standard of revolt. Colonel Fancott, who commanded the garrison. Garrison means the troops who are halted, stopped to defend. He was the first victim. Colonel Macross of the 23rd Army Unit was killed. Next, Major Armstrong, who was passing the fort, heard the sound of firing. When he stopped to inquire, he was showered with bullets. About a dozen other officers were killed within an hour or so. Among them, Lieutenant Haley and Lieutenant Popham belonged to His Majesty. Majesty means Royal Battalion. Battalion means large body of troops ready for battle, especially an infantry unit. So what we have seen in this paragraph is there are so many members who died during the outbreak of the revolt. So those persons have been mentioned here. The next topic, Gillespie's brutality. Brutality means cruel, violent. Major Coates, who was outside the fort, informed the Colonel Gillespie. Gillespie is the cavalry commandant in Arcot. Gillespie reached the fort along with a squadron of cavalry. Squadron means group of cavalry under the command of Captain Young at 9 a.m. In the meantime, the rebels they proclaimed Fate Aida and Tipu's elder son as their new ruler and hoisted the tiger flag of Mysore sultans in the fort. But the uprising, as we already known that the rebellion was swiftly means a very short of time, crushed by Colonel Gillespie, who threw to winds all war ethics. He did not follow any ethics which is given for the war to follow, but he didn't follow that. According to an eyewitness account, 800 soldiers, so according to the account, 800 soldiers were found dead in the fort alone, and 600 soldiers were kept in imprisonment. Confinement means imprison or prison in Tiruchirappalli and Vellore, awaiting inquiry. Awaiting means they were kept for the inquiry. So, in this paragraph, we have seen the brutality, the cruel event of the Gillespie's. Consequences of the revolt. 6 of the rebels they were convicted by the court of inquiry as they were blown from the guns. Here convicted means they were declared as guilty of a criminal offense by the verdict, by the court judgment, and 5 were shot dead and 8 hanged. Tipu's sons they were ordered to be sent to Calcutta. The officers and men engaged in the suppressions of the revolt, they were rewarded with the prize money and promotions. Colonel Gillespie was given 7,000 pagodas. However, the commander-in-chief, Sir John Cradock, the adjutant here means the senior officer General Agnew and Governor William Bentinck, they were held responsible for the revolt and they were removed from their office and they were once again called back to England. The military rules which was implemented by them, it has been taken back. Estimate of the revolt. It is a rough calculations of the revolt. The Vellore revolt failed because there was no immediate help from the outside. Recent studies shows that the organizing part of the revolt it was done perfectly by Subedas Sheikh Hadam and Sheikh Hamid and Jamidar Sheikh Hussain of the 2nd Battalion of 23rd Regiment Army Unit and 2 Subedas and Jamidar Sheikh Qasim of the 1st Battalion of the 1st Army Unit. Vellore revolt and all the forebodings of the Great Rebellion of 1857. Forebodings means it is a strong feeling that in danger or trouble which is coming for the Great Rebellion of 1857. The only difference which was that there was no civil rebellion following the mutiny. Civil means inside the country the people were against of the government. So this was not followed in this. The 1806 revolt was not confined to Vellore Fort. It does not only happen in the Vellore Fort. It had its echoes in Bellary, Walajabad, Hyderabad, Bangalore, and so this Vellore revolt 1806 it is not confined within the happened only Vellore Fort. It has also echoed in Bellary, Walajabad, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Nandidag and Sankridag. So we have seen in this lesson there are so many topics, that is grievances of the Indian soldiers, outbreak of the revolt and Gillespie's brutality and consequences of the revolt as well as the estimate of the revolt. Thank you.